Hey guys, coming back with another video. This one's on how the potatoes, how they look once I got them all planted. Today we're going to go over what was good about it, what was bad, what I liked and didn't like, and if I had it to do over, would I do anything different? So at the start of the video, you kind of seen where I planted them right on the ground, how that came out. The hay right here is stacked up, I'm going to say, 6-8 inches high. Again, it's going to rain on it. It's going to kind of compress it down. So I might have to put more on it. I went ahead and you can probably see the white back there. I labeled it. This side here, from here back is Yukon Gold. From there back is Kennebec. From this post back is cut potatoes. So we're going to be able to see if there's a difference between doing a cut potato or doing a whole potato. And get to see that post all the way in the back, that's cut Kennebec. So we're going to hopefully get a real good idea if one is better than the other. Okay? So what did I like about it? What made me want to do this? Well, it's fast. It's easy. I got this done, I'm going to say, in a little over an hour. Once I got everything out here, my potatoes, my hay, it just went really fast and went really easy. That part I really loved. Another one, our weather here has been horrible. I actually tried to shoot this video yesterday and the wind was so bad it just made it impossible. So I wouldn't even be able to have a potato in the ground if I didn't use the wire cage method or this method here, because my ground is so wet. We've had so much rain. So that's another benefit. I get my potatoes in a little bit early. The only downside, the planting part, is I did use about 3 bales of hay. So for me, for what I bought my hay for, that was maybe a little over 20 bucks. I might have to add some more. So the cost of that, which to me isn't that bad compared to all the work of going and having to till, hill, all that. So that part came out good. Would I do anything different? No. This part here, like I say, it just came out really good. I have a lot of high hopes that this will, I'm going to produce a lot of good potatoes using this method. I've had luck with it in the past. So, no, I wouldn't have changed anything about this. Now, I'm going to take you over to the wire cages and show you how they came out, kind of show you what I did there, and we'll talk about that. So hang on just a second. Okay, so here we are at the wire cages. You can see I labeled these. These are the store-boughts. These right here are the Kennebecs. And these are the Yukon Golds. Now, you can see where this has been rained on a couple times. So it's already started to compress down. And like I say, whether you do this with straw, especially with leaves, that's how I did it last year. I just used leaves. It really compressed with leaves. You're going to have that. So whether I add any more or not, I got a pretty good layer here. But you might have to. So that's just one thing to consider. Now, it might be hard to see, but I actually put in 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of potatoes, so to speak, in here. Again, I did the video on that. You can go back and look at how to do that. Do I like it or not like it? It's probably not my favorite way of putting potatoes in. If it turns out good, I'll do it again, and if it don't, I'm not. How's that? What would I do different? I probably would have used more dirt and compost between the layers. That's one thing. Now that it's starting to compress down, it's hard to see. You know, you can see a layer here a little bit here. I probably should have used a little more dirt and compost. This here, on some of these, I might have even got another row of potatoes in it. I'm not going to go back and change anything or do anything different, but that is something I probably would have done different. I would have added another level of potatoes to that. So all in all, I'm happy with it. I think we're going to it's a good experiment to see how this works on different types of potatoes, and we're going to find out here in a few months how it did. So that's the update. Gardening season 2022 has started. I think next we might go to some, I don't know, maybe some peas, maybe some radishes. It's going to have to dry out a little bit more. But I am just really excited. I hope you guys are too. I hope somebody out there that has watched one of these videos decides to plant something, decides to put something in the ground. And you know, with my job, I'm outside all the time, but the stuff that I'm around, it's concrete and steel. It's nasty. And so when I come out here and I'm outside and I get to mess with this stuff, it really does. It's just a stress reliever. And I just hope somebody finds that. You know what I'm saying? That's my hope in making these videos. So anyway, you guys have a happy Easter. We're going to get started on it, and I hope it's a great year for gardening for everybody. All right. You guys have a good day, and thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Okay. I'll talk to you later. See ya.